Hi guys, today I want to share Shurpa Soup with you guys. Easy, delicious, and you only need a soup pot for this. So to that we're going to need two types of meat, just meat, and then meat with bones or just bones. Some pepper, onion, carrots, potatoes. Pink potatoes or yellow potatoes are good for this recipe because they don't fall apart like russet potatoes. So wash your meat, soak it, drain it, and put it in here in the soup pot with cold water. Turn it on. When it starts to heat up, get all that foam out and let it cook for about an hour on medium-low heat. After an hour, we're going to prepare our onions by slicing them in twice like that, and then in little pieces, sliced apart, and then put it apart. So and then slice your carrots. So after an hour, throw it in. As you can see, the meat is already all good. Or hour and a half, depends how your meat looks. Throw in your onions and carrots, and I'm gonna throw in some cumin and some cloves, and then let that cook for about half an hour. And then I'm gonna prepare our peppers. So slice them thinly and then cut them in half, throw it in. While that's cooking, prepare your potatoes, peel them, and then slice them in half this way and then across. So you don't want it the long way, you want it the short way. So not this way, no. You cut them that way, across, so to make it more proper as for this soup. Now we're gonna throw it in and cook it until it is done. So I have prepared it. Throw it in, cook it until it's done. So when it's done, 5 minutes before it's done, throw in the canned tomatoes. If you're using fresh tomatoes, try to find out how to peel, how to have it peeled from, how to have peeled tomatoes. So, and then after 5 minutes, turn it off and the soup is ready to be enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time.